Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm here in Central Park, and no, they do not serve sushi in Central Park, and if they ever start, don't trust that shit. Shout out Marv and Harry. But nah, I got this from a place in Astoria. I'm like getting sick of the smell of fish at this point. Like this shit is like, this sushi crawl was fun, but this is like nauseating. The show goes on. They had this Astoria roll that I heard about, and a California roll. Obviously, everybody has a damn California roll. But definitely passes the eye test. It's mango, cucumber, salmon, and I forgot the other ingredients. And this right here is the California roll, very well put together. Both of them already get a 5 out of 5 on the appearance. For this to be some takeout food, is pretty well prepared. The spot we tried today, I realized I didn't even say the name. SUZUKI in Long Island City. I'm crying because that lady who just went by on a scooter with the American flag dress was playing Snoop Dogg's Murder Was the Case. But like I said, 5 out of 5 on the appearance. A lot going on with this roll. I gotta be honest, I don't even know what this is wrapped in. Like it's very, we're gonna leave it at unique. Mango, avocado, jalapeno, whitefish, tobacco, cucumber, and soy paper. This is the first time that was scary as hell for some reason. This is the first time I've had soy wrap this month. And I guess that's why it was a suggestion. But start off with the California roll, just because it's the run-in-the-mill joint. You know what I mean? It's solid. Solid. 4 out of 5 on the freshness. It's good. That's crazy. I expected to throw up after that. Not because they're bad, just because like how much fish I've been eating, but they've used the sesame the right way. 4 out of 5 on the overall taste. 5 out of 5 on the saltiness. That's a good California roll. Now I gotta try this and hope it doesn't. What I'm scared of is these joints gonna fall apart because soy wrap don't sound solid. Really. Like this look wild. I don't like it. The roll was good, but the soy wrap, I don't know. It got like a smokiness to it. I changed my mind. I ain't get the mango. This is fire. The mango, it got like a smokiness, like the fish got a smokiness to it. But then the mango, like, that sweetness, like, right. That's the only thing I could, you know what I mean? Like, the sweetness goes. If you can, you know what I mean? It's like smoky. It's like, oh, you get the soy. It's real fresh. Then you get the white fish smokiness, and then you get mango. I don't know how to describe it, but you get the gist. That's a big ass roll. The only thing I don't like is the soy paper kind of like dissolved. There's no consistency to it. It kind of gets out of the way of your teeth. It fall apart too easy. I mean, I had this for a while. I got this over in Astoria. I'm now in Central Park. I had to cross over to Roosevelt Island. So like maybe that's what it is, but this shit fall apart too easy. All in all though, it's a pretty good roll. You in Long Island City, I'll at SUZUKishokudo for they Astoria roll. I give it a 3 out of 5 on the saltiness. This could be a lot saltier. Maybe that's where a little soy sauce needs to come in. Soy wrap is like green, but this is good. It's solid. They ain't reinventing the wheel. my mind not blown. I'm not about to go right home about this shit, but it's good. And I guess that's it. It's been another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl presented by Sushi Geeks. Like I said, SUZUKI over in Long Island City. If you ever over there, I know a lot of Nova folks from up there. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm low key in the hood. Which is another thing that drew me to it, because I'm like, all right, call it what it is. Shit's solid though. Look at the dog. Hey, y'all be cool like y'all be cool.